Most productivity advice works only when nothing important is happening. The moment complexity, pressure, or volume increases, it collapses. In this video, I'll explain why productivity advice fails at scale, and how operators design systems that keep working when demand rises. Most productivity models assume one person, one task, one timeline. Real systems involve dependencies, delays, and trade-offs. What works for an individual rarely works for a system. Optimizing individual tasks often damages overall throughput. People move faster in isolation, but create congestion downstream. Systems fail when local speed overrides global flow. Activity feels productive, but output depends on constraint management. Operators focus on what limits flow, not how busy people look. Systems move at the speed of their tightest constraint. Productivity advice increases effort everywhere except where it matters most. To-do lists treat all work as equal. Systems require sequencing, prioritization, and dependency awareness. Operators manage queues, not lists. Throughput measures completed value, not initiated work. Operators reduce work in progress to accelerate completion. Productivity systems encourage multitasking. Operators minimize context switching because it fragments attention and delays output. When systems fail, people blame discipline. But no amount of discipline fixes broken sequencing or overload. Structure must carry the weight, not willpower. Operators allocate time based on system constraints. They protect high-leverage windows and eliminate low-impact work. Unstable systems waste energy correcting errors. Stable systems produce consistently with less effort. Scalable systems reduce decision load. They clarify ownership. They limit simultaneous work. Busyness feels safe. But it prevents structural change. Operators are willing to slow down to redesign flow. Productivity advice fails at scale because it ignores systems. Operators build flow first and let output follow.